Swiss watches have long been the gold standard for precision, craftsmanship, and style. But guess what? You don't need to spend thousands to own a quality Swiss timepiece. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best Swiss watches under $500 in 2024, offering you incredible value without breaking the bank. Make sure to stick around for number 1. It's a hidden gem that punches way above its price. And if you love watches, hit that like button and subscribe for more top watch recommendations. All right, let's dive in. Number 10. Tissot Everytime Swissmatic. If you love minimalist elegance, the Tissot Everytime Swissmatic is an absolute steal. Featuring an automatic Swiss movement, a 72-hour power reserve, and a clean dial design, this watch is perfect for everyday wear. Price: around $450, case size, 40 millimeters, movement, Swissmatic automatic. With a sapphire crystal and timeless design, this is one of the most affordable automatic Swiss watches out there. Number 9. Swatch System 51. Irony. Next up, the Swatch System 51. Irony, an innovative automatic watch that's fully machine-assembled. Price: around $220. Case size: 42 millimeters. Movement: System 51 automatic. With a see-through case back, funky designs, and a lightweight feel, this watch brings Swiss craftsmanship to a budget-friendly level, plus, it's maintenance-free for years. Number 8. Victorinox Quartz. Known for their rugged durability, Victorinox delivers once again with the Alliance Quartz. Price: around $350, case size, 40 millimeters, movement, Ronda Swiss quartz. It features a brushed stainless steel case, sapphire crystal, and water resistance up to 100 meters, making it a fantastic everyday watch. A true balance of functionality and style. Number 7. Hamilton Khaki Field Quartz. The Hamilton Khaki Field Quartz is a military-inspired classic, offering unbeatable durability and Swiss precision. Price: around $495. Case size: 38 millimeters. Movement: ETA 955.112 quartz. With a vintage field watch aesthetic, sapphire crystal, and 100 meters water resistance, this is one of the best entry-level Swiss watches for adventurers. Number 6. Certina DS Caimano. If you're after an elegant dress watch, the Certina DS Caimano delivers Swiss precision with a refined aesthetic. Price: around $450. Case size: 39 millimeters. Movement: ETA quartz. It features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, stainless steel case, and ultra-slim profile, making it a perfect dress watch for any occasion. Number 5. Wenger Urban Classic Chrono. Wenger, the sister brand of Victorinox, delivers a stunning urban classic chrono for under $500. Price: around $250, 44 millimeters. Number 4. Glycine Combat 6. Glycine is best known for its pilot watches, but the Combat 6 is a refined dress military hybrid. Price: around $450. Case size: 43 millimeters. Movement: Swiss automatic, with a domed sapphire crystal, automatic movement, and classic field watch aesthetics. This is a sleeper hit in the affordable Swiss watch market. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Quartz. If you need a Swiss-made dive watch, look no further than the Mido Ocean Star Quartz. Price: around $499. Case size: 42 millimeters. Movement: Swiss quartz, with 200 meters water resistance, a screw-down crown, and an ultra-legible dial. This is one of the best affordable Swiss dive watches. Number 2. Raymond Weil Tango. Raymond Weil is known for its luxury aesthetics, and the Tango is no exception. Price: around $499. Case size: 41 millimeters. Movement: Swiss quartz. With a refined steel bracelet, sapphire crystal, and sleek design, this is the perfect entry into luxury Swiss watches. Number 1. Tissot PRX Quartz. Best overall. And finally, the best Swiss watch under $500 for 2024, the Tissot PRX Quartz. Price, around $395. Case size, 40 millimeters movement, Swiss quartz, with a stunning integrated bracelet, retro 70s-inspired design, and unbeatable build quality. The PRX is hands down the best Swiss watch for under $500. It looks like a high-end luxury piece without the luxury price tag. So there you have it. The 10 best Swiss watches under $500 in 2024. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Which watch would you add to this list? Check the links in the description for the best deals on these watches. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a watch recommendation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.